Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this video, I want to give you an overview of our JVM fault that you can use to throw an exception in your JVM applications simply by injecting it at runtime without changing anything in the dependencies of your applications or even having some code changes needed. So whenever you are at the reliability hub of Steadybit, make sure to check out the JVM extension. Once you're opening it up, you can see that we automatically discover all your JVM instances and then provide chaos engineering attacks for your Java applications. For instance, we can inject an exception into a controller or delay the JDBC communication. Once you have installed the extension in your environment, you can open up Steadybit, go over to the Explorer, where you can visualize your Java applications and correlate this with other data, like in here, where I'm seeing all my Java applications correlated with the AWS zones in which they are running, and can easily understand which applications aren't spread across different zones. Whenever I'm heading over to the experiment editor, I can create a chaos engineering experiment. I have all the Java-based tags available in here, can simply drag and drop and specify the target I want to attack. In this case, I'm injecting an exception in an upstream service and want to check that the downstream servers are actually fine and still work as expected. Whenever I'm checking out the path execution, I get the full picture so that I always understand what's going on in my system. So in this case, I can see that the HTTP endpoint is working all the time, even though an upstream service is actually throwing some exceptions. There are a few unexpected failures, though, so that might be something that we should investigate to improve the overall reliability of our system and get higher user satisfaction. So whenever you're using Java as one of the programming languages, make sure to install the JVM extension. Simply go to the hub, follow the install now instructions. You can install it by using the Helm chart in your Kubernetes environment or as a Linux package. Thanks for checking it out and take care.